1.083333333333. So I'm going to first say, I'm going to break this into parts that are easy to convert. So this is a 1 plus a 0.08 plus 0.00333 repeating. Okay. So this is 1 plus 8 over 100 plus whatever 0.003333 repeating is. So I'm going to work on converting the 0.00333333, um, and then I will add those three fractions together to get my final answer. So I'm going to let n be 0.003 repeating. I'm now going to multiply n by 1,000. Okay, so I'm going to have 1,000 n, and that's going to move my decimal point 3 places to the right. So I have 3.333 repeating. And then I'm going to subtract 1,000 n minus n. So this is tricky, and I'm actually going to write it out. So I have 3.33 repeating minus 0.003333 repeating. Okay, when you do the subtraction, we start all the way on the right, we're going to get 0, 0, 0, right? Because you get 3 minus 3, 0, 3 minus 3, 0. So I'm getting zeros all the way along here. 0, 0, 0, 0. And then 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. And 3 minus 0 is 3. So I get 3.33. It's not an integer, but it's not a infinitely repeating number anymore. So I have 3.33. And that is 999 n is 3.33, which means that I can divide both sides by 999. And I get n is 3.33 over 999. I don't love having a decimal in a fraction. So I'm going to multiply the top and bottom of that fraction by 100 to move that decimal 2 places to the right in the numerator. So n is 3.33 over 999. And I'm going to multiply the top and bottom of this fraction by 100. So I get 333 divided by 99900. So that is the fraction that goes here. So 333 over 99,900. And then I have to add these three fractions together to write this as a fraction. That's going to take a minute to get a common denominator. This one would be 99,900 over 99,100. 99,900. Okay, 8 over 100. So what should I multiply 100 by to make 99,900? I think 999. So this is going to be 8 times 999 over 999 with two zeros. And then plus 333 over 99,900. Okay, I got to do 8 times 999, and then I can just add the numerators. All right, so I have 99,900 over 99,900 plus 8 times 999. We could do that out by hand. I'm just going to save us some time and tell you that it is 7,992, and that's over 99,900 plus 333 over 99,900. And then I just need to add up my numerators and put them over the common denominator of 99,900. So when I add those up, I get 108,225.